Hi guys, I am Preeti from EduRoop Learning and I am a Java and Mern full stack trainer. In today's session, we are going to create simple examples using VS Code. Let's start with the first content part. As I already told you people, HTML basics and fundamentals, then starts with the structure in VS Code. We need not to write everything in the VS Code. There are simple shortcuts we have, so that we have to know. Now I'm just using a VS Code now. Just open VS Code to start with a simple example. Okay, this is my software Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I just wanted to create a folder. I already created the folder name is EduRoop here. Okay, just open VS Code. You just go to file and just open your folder that I have created already. That it is on desktop. Select the folder that is EduRoop. Just select it. Okay, done with the selection. Next, I just want to create in this folder one file. Just I'll give the file name as index.html. Okay, there are like shortcuts over here. We need not to write the structure here. We have shortcuts. Just you just press the in keyboard shift exclamatory. Okay, then observe here everything the structure. The HTML structure which consists of head and body. In the head part we have a title. The title I'll give, just to remove this document, my first web page. Save this, shortcut Control S. Okay, inside the body we will write the content part. Let's take, I just want the content as a heading over here. Correct? So let's write heading. Okay, so now after that I just want a paragraph. So here we have a paragraph as a shortcut P tag. Okay, paragraph tag. There I'll write this is para. Done. Next, I just want to view this everything on the web page. How to weave? We were weaving the document in the browser itself. The browser which we will be using as a Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, everything, etc. Many were there. You can use it. Okay, I just want to view this now. So here there are like many options over here. Okay, run without debugging. Yeah, you can see here. So first is the heading and second one is the paragraph. This is para. It is where it is the file location is users del desktop editor folder. In that folder we have one file. What is that file? Is index.html file. Heading and paragraph here. It is displayed on the web page. That here we were using it. Next, okay. After this, I just want to take one more paragraph. Okay. Here in the VS Code, we have a default paragraph here. That is lorem. You just type a lorem, enter it. There like which paragraph it comes. I just want to see now. So need not to again go to the terminal and check here without debugging, and it's not necessary. So once it is opened here, the page, you just reload this page. See that paragraph, it is visible. the paragraph displayed here. Next, in HTML, we have how many types of headings? We do have a 6, H1 to H6. I'll tell you. H1, first heading, first heading. H2, heading 2. Just I'll write it. Heading. This also I'll make it as heading only. H3. Just you write it as 1, 2, 3, H4. Lastly, we have H5 and H6. Four, 5, 6. Okay, I will show you on the page. Now you just go to browser and just reload this page. Can you see the differences? Heading 1 is the largest heading we got and heading 6 is the smallest one. Okay, then I just want to format the things. The formatting we call in HTML as a text formatting here. Let's take, I just want to underline. So we have here a shortcut underline tag. Okay, this is edu learning. Okay, save and just go to browser. Just reload it. See, can you see here? This is underlined one. Is visible, right? Correct. Now, after that, I have a mark tag. Mark. This is mark. See the changes? Just reload the page. It is highlighting with the background color as yellow. Next, we have delete tag. This is delete. See that like in between the words there is a line. Okay, next strike. This is strike. Almost similar. You can use a delete or strike also. Just reload the page. See, this is strike. This is delete and this is strike. Likewise, so many formattings, text formattings are available. Okay, next I just want in my web page a image. How to upload the image? We have the image tab. There, I just wanted to use one image. What I'll do, I'll go to Google Chrome. There, I just want one image. Just take a nature images. It is asking some credentials, so I'll close it anyway. Let's go to, okay, now take the nature image here, just type it. It comes. Pick one image, whichever you find better one. So I think this is better one. So I'll want to just right click and just go to copy image address. Go to VS Code. Image tag we were using for okay images in src. Just paste the URL of the image. Copy image address, you need to paste it. Then any changes, check here. Just reload this page. See, the image is bigger one. Can you see that image? It is a bigger one. I just want to resize this image. So just write here height 150. Better we will go with 250 pixels, and width 250 pixels. Okay, done. Now you see, just refresh the page. See, it is adjusted. See, after this, see, this is coming on the same line. I just want it is in the next line. Means what I'll do after the strike, I'll just break it. BR, break tag. This will close it. Reload the page. Now it is coming on the next line. This image, I just want to right side. This is left. By default, it comes in the left side, but this image I just want in the right side. What I'll do, just use the attribute name here. Attribute name is align. Write it. The sides you write it, whichever side you want. Right side it is aligned now. This image I just want the center. Then what I'll do, this I'll remove it. Use the center tab. Now you see it is aligned in the center. Okay. Okay, after this I just want some link. Okay, I just want some links. How to get the link? It's very simple. Anchor tag we are using anchor tag. There, just write. Let's say I just want the link here. I'll write it. Edit learning. Okay, I'm just taking the link here. Edit this link I just wanted to provide. The link means it is the address, correct? This address I just want to copy it and just go to VS Code, and there in the H reference means hyperlink reference. Okay, here I just want to paste that address of that page, the location of that page that I've given. Now just go to your web page, just reload the page. See, it's coming here. If you want in the next line means you can break it. Simple thing. Just write it. Be a break tag. Now you see it comes in the next line. This link Why it is coming on the center means, so this we will add it in after the center tag. I just want default one. Edit learning, it is coming on the left side now. If you click this link, the page is opening. Correct? Our institute page. It is open. But it is opening on the same page. Suppose I just want in the new tab. We will be using here target as an attribute underscore blank. Now if you see, I'll just go back. I'll just refresh the page. Refresh or reload. Now you click on that link, Eduroop link. It is opening on the new tab. Before it is opening on the same tab only, but now it is opening on the new tab. Correct? Now you learned simple basic examples of HTML. Okay. In the next session, we will be learning a lot of things. Okay. Thank you.